Nothing happened. But we called you here for us to talk.
Talk about what? Listen, Jolie. We are good friends. In fact, we are closer than every other person in the club. So that's why we called you here. Because we want to know your plan. Plan about what? I don't understand.
About what the man said. Did you not hear him? Or are you willing to pay the price?
Forbid. I'm not going to die for anybody. I'm not going anywhere. Good. So what do you intend to do? Listen, Jolie. As it is now, every malam with in kettle. Yes, so if obuzi. Because I'm not ready to die for anybody. Never! I will not do it. Okay, now if you're saying this now, what do you want me to do? What am I supposed to do now?
We want to quit. Yes, we are quitting. Yes.
I don't understand. Like, you guys want to quit the club? I want to quit. And you think quitting the club will solve the problem?
Yes, we want to quit. Huh? Or what do you think?
Actually, you're what? You're what, Jolie? Jolie, wake up! Wake up! Every man with in kettle, na so it be. So. I be won't die for person. I'm not ready, oh. I will not die for anybody. I will not try it. God! Babe, you're still thinking about it.
Eh? People have died. Are you not tired? Quit. We came to talk to you as our friend. Eh? That's why we called you here, to tell you our plan. You're thinking about it.
Julie, you surprised me. I'm not ready to die for anybody, and that's on period.
It's the verdict. You just confirmed it. It's the verdict. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do.
Sister? Yes. Sister, please, can I talk to you?
What is it about?
Sister, please, can I talk to you?
I'm listening.
Sister, you look bothered. Please, what's bothering you?
Well, I have a problem in my business.
Hey, Jesus. Oh, God. Sister, please, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'll be fine.
Hey. Oh, sister, I believe that everything will be fine. The Bible says that...
Tata?
Sister?
I just said I'll be fine. I need to be left alone.
Yes, sister.
Make me your cucumber juice.
Okay. Sister, please, take it easy on yourself. I'm sorry.
Tata, be quick with it.
Okay.
Can we go upstairs and talk?
No. Let me just excuse you both.
I really don't understand the essence of being lovers when you cannot open up and talk to me. I've been thinking.
And I would advise you stop thinking. Festus, there is nothing to say. What do you want me to say to you? You've asked me this before and I told you there is nothing wrong with me. I am fine.
That's a lie.
I am not lying to you.
Of course you're lying. Can you just tell me the truth for once?
I don't know what you want me to say, but I am not lying. There is nothing to tell you. Do you want me to cook up stories?
For over 2 weeks now, you have been indoors with Titi. You don't go out? Even to go for service. When was the last time you went to church?
Festus, who has been feeding you with this lies?
No one has been feeding me with anything. I'm telling you the truth.
So what are you doing?
Because I've been following you.
Really? What do you mean you have been following me? Are you stalking me now?
Can you be very sincere to me? Can you tell me the truth? What is happening with you?
I just had a little showdown in my business. It's nothing big. I settled it already. I'm fine now. That was the issue I had, but everything is okay.
Can you listen to yourself? You had a little showdown in your business and you couldn't tell me.
I'm sorry. Listen, I didn't want to bother you. I didn't want anything that would get you worried. But like I said, everything is fine. Please.
The essence of being together is to always open up.
First off, no. Right now, you are really getting on my nerves. I'm not in the mood for this argument. I have told you exactly what is wrong. What else do you want me to say?
Are you talking to me like that?
No, what do you want me to say? You want me to cook up stories?
Like seriously?
Festus, please just drop it. Please. What did you say to Festus?
I told him nothing.
Shut up! Keep quiet. You even have the guts to lie to my face. Huh? What did you say to Festus?
Sister, I didn't tell him anything. Or did he say I told him something?
Jennifer, are you still lying to me? I would ask you for the last time. What did you tell Festus?
I did not.
You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, you pack your things and go back to the village. Since you came to my house to monitor me.
No.
That will not happen. Let me not remind you. First thing tomorrow morning. Stupid.
Sister, I did not tell him anything, no. Hey. Sister, I didn't tell him anything.
Festus. He actually had the effrontery to tell me that I have been locked up in this room with you, that I haven't gone out in a week.
And who told him that?
Who else if not that big mouthed Jennifer? And she was even telling me to my face, lying to me, that she didn't say anything to him.
This is not funny. It's not.
You know, I think the best thing for me to do is just to send her back to the village.
No, that is not the best solution.
So please tell me, what is the best solution? No, what do you say?
Listen, Sending her back to the village will attract more attention. What will you tell your parents?
So what do I do?
Well, I suggest you rent another apartment for her.
Think so?
Yes. That's the best way to handle her. If you send her back to the village, you will be answerable to your parents.
Salim Ali Sali Saka Sakunle. Salim Ali Sali Saka Sakunle. Salim Ali Sali Saka Sakunle. A woman's spirit is tormenting you all. The woman's spirit is bent on killing all of you.
I rebuke in the name of Jesus.
Don't shout that! Don't! And there is no two ways about it.
Hey. Please. Please. Wise one, please. Hey. My goodness. Please, wise one. Please. You really need to help us. Please. We need your help. Please. We don't want to die. We don't want to die. Please help us. Please. Hey.
The spirit of the woman must be appeased with human blood.
Hey. You mean our blood?
Anybody's blood. It could be you.
Hey! No, wise one. It can be any of them. Any of them can go. Please, not me.
No, your blood is the best.
Your blood is
Your blood is the best.
Quiet! Quiet! Anybody's blood can be used. It must not be any of you.
Eh?
Wise one. You mean anybody at all?
Yes.
Anyone at all?
Exactly. Salim Ali Sali Saka Sakunle. Salim Ali Sali Saka Sakunle. Salim Ali Sali Saka Sakunle.
It's the verdict. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do.
We have to look for somebody and bring the person tonight.
Tonight?
Yes! Babe, there is no time. We don't have time.
That is not even what I'm saying. What I'm saying is different. What you're thinking is different. What are you thinking? I think we should involve Queen Mother in this. Yes. We are not the only ones involved. Let's involve the other club members. I'm not going to die, you.
Jollies, I am going to pretend like I did not hear what you just said.
Why? Why?
Tasha, I think she's right. Yes, let's tell Queen Mother. The Bible said that one of us must be sacrificed, right? And this man said that we can bring anybody. So let's just do them the favor and tell them. If they disagree with us, then we do our mind. We go ahead and do our thing. Let's just tell them. May not be like say we do it for their back. Let's just tell them.
Okay, fine.
What I think?
What makes the both of you so sure that Queen will agree to this?
I don't want to concern me now. He might not send. Look this head. You get oil. I no die for anybody. I don't talk man foolish.
Okay, fine. To your tent to Israel. Do whatever you want.
Beg you, you shine, show. You shine, So I see the pop champagne now. They spend money, they go. Remember your birthday.
I hope there's no problem.
There is. A very big one at that. Tacha, I want to know my offense.
Your offense, I don't understand. Where is it coming from?
Tacha, you meant every word you said at the meeting. That I should die for the club. So my point is, why would you say that?
Is that why you called me out here?
Yes. And I demand an explanation now.
Titi, I'm going to let this one slide. I mean, I'm going to forgive you this time. But if this should happen again, like if you call me out here for rubbish like this, I'm going to teach you a big lesson. Nonsense. Babe, let's go.
Do you think I am joking? Do you think I am joking?
Are you Are you crazy? Yes! No! Come on! You're crazy! Johnny, wait! Wait, let me show this girl how smart is cheap in the market.
You can do nothing. Listen, it is you that will die for the club. You are next to die, mark my word.
Babe, whether you like it or not, you are the one dying for us.
It is you and
You are the one that will die.
You will die. Your generation will die. Rest in peace, you please. If you try me, come now.
I don't like this stuff.
You are trying me too. You are very stupid. Stop this thing. Why I should die for the club for what? Are you mad? Are you my father?
It's okay.
It is you. Mark my word. You will die next. You will die next. Mark my word. You will die next. Right? You don't do now. You never do. Let's go. Nobody is dying. People.
It's the verdict. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do. What should be done?
Who is that?
It's Queen Mother. Let's call her back. Oh, she's calling back. Hello? Yes, I'm home. She's here with me. Okay. We'll be with you immediately. Alright.
What did she say?
She wants us to meet with her immediately.
Hey, another person don't die.
Titi, what is with you and that? No, what did they worry you? My friend, get up. Let's get prepared and leave this place.
If person never die, why should they call us now? Eh?
Be like saying that you go die next.
No! Ha! Let me go die, yo.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Stop saying do it for head. Say the next time I go see you close to smart I swear to God if I no pour out to no stop me with this.
Calm down. Let me tell you something. This guy tested what I have and he likes it, okay? So you're killing yourself over nothing.
Oh really?
Oh yeah.
Shabi they hear Abi. Shabi hear the nonsense when they come out for this girl mouth.
And Jabe, they calm down now. I said they calm down, your blood to the heart. See, you've lost this battle already. If there's anybody you should be fighting, that should be smart and not Jesse. What is the problem? Your blood to the heart, safe. What did happen?
Really? Like seriously? But not the same you. Now all of now where they are gonna test smart make you run this thing. Now all of now better make you run this thing. Which kind of talk with this one?
Hey, we beg him. Nobody force him. We just tell the guy say help us do this thing, and the guy agreed. So I think they talk. Okay. Mona just chill. Make all of us just chill. Because girls now money I call hustle. I not come here for trouble. And you, Jesse, If Smart tell you next time say he wants you, tell him no.
Sukwanike!
Zueke!
God. Because he likes it and so that is my body.
And the things make you live and make you don't worry. See, hear me and hear me well. The next time I go see you near Smart, you go lost.
Baby, if you
I go lost
again,
you.
If you touch
girl,
me,
you not gonna do anything. Girl, you go lost. Don't panic, they mad. I go lost you.
What's going on? Please sit. Welcome. Thank you, Queen.
Jolie, Tasha, and Miracle have something to tell us. That's why we're here.
Okay, Jolie, what is it? Okay. The last time we met, we didn't go home straight. We actually went to Goba to meet one Baba. And he said exactly the same thing that Dibia Egbe said. He said this woman's spirit must be appeased with human blood. We have to act fast. And the good thing now is not our blood. We can use anybody's blood. Yes.
Okay, so how do we intend to achieve that? The thing is that we need a young girl like us for the sacrifice to appease the woman that we killed.
Exactly. And we have to do it tonight because there is no time. No time.
Wow. Just wow. I mean, nice. Queen Mother, what do you have to say about this?
Well, I asked them about it and they told me the man is authentic. If they are sure about what they are saying, why not? Let's go ahead with it.
What are we waiting for? If you guys are sure that this man can do it, it won't take up to 30 minutes to catch someone.
30 minutes, you say? Titi, did I hear you correctly? I'm just going to make this clear, right here and now. You guys should count me out. I am not doing this. I mean, for goodness sake, what are you girls thinking? Queen Mother, what are you saying about this? We're trying to get out of a problem. I mean, we killed somebody, literally. We're trying to get out of that problem, and you're asking us to kill another, shedding blood again? I don't get it. Can somebody explain to me, because I don't understand what's happening here?
Glory.
Yes, Tasha.
Glory.
Tasha.
I knew from the onset that it will be only you that will counter what we've just planned. But let me tell you something you don't know. With or without you, we're going to do it.
Sure. Hello? I am not stopping anybody from doing what he or she wants to do. All I am saying is that I am not part of this. Count me out.
Glo, how could you say that? We are in this together. We can't do it without you.
Well, no, we. No, who is we? We is who? My darling, I have said this and I'm going to say it again. I am not doing this. Queen Mother, I beg to take my leave.
Glory, sit your ass down.
You would not ask me to sit down. It is my decision to make and I have said it. I am going to stand by it.
Why are you just being unnecessarily stubborn?
Hello? Telling you that I won't shed a blood or kill somebody, is that being stubborn? Are you being serious?
Girls, allow her to go if she's not interested.
Don't cachet, Queen Mother.
You're welcome.
Really? Glo, if you dare stop me, I will slap those fake lashes off your eyes with my back.
Glo, you might be the next to die.
Listen, I would rather die than shed blood again. Get your filthy hands off my way.
Glory! I told you people. I told you guys from the beginning. I know Glory. I said this thing over and over. Look at what is happening. Are you seeing it?
Well, we can do it without her.
Sure.
Yes.
I concur.
I'm game. I don't want to die.
Queen Mother, please, let's do this.
Do the catch and let me know.
Tonight.
I'm waiting.
We'll go together.
Today market. Just the pass.
Hey, see? Hey, bad market. Why everybody they go. Nothing I usually do. We need to cash out. So where's the shop now? Customer they go happen this night. I go handle and well. No be by gathering. No, we dey walk. No by gathering. What did they do this to people? I shall go on your fight here. Hey, now woman is not a fan. Hello. Hello, fine girl. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Thank you. My name is Sweet.
Wow, you're so sweet. Okay, Sweet. I'll go straight to the point. Do you do women?
No, but I'll get someone for you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, that would be nice.
Sure, you like her. Their wife there for hours. What do you expect? Woo! They're not carrying
I did now.
So you go do hookup tonight?
I no go do hookup. How much?
Woman to woman.
Yes now. How much?
I don't know that one. Go and big price with them. They go. I go. They go! Oh. Give me your small waiting.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's the name?
I'm Jessie.
Oh, Jessie. Nice name. I'm Jessie. Do you do women?
Yes.
Can you handle both of us?
Hmm?
Can you handle both of us?
Trust me, I can.
Okay, name your friends.
Where are we going to?
Home or hotel?
Our house, of course.
No, I don't go to people's house. I prefer hotel.
My sister, there's no trouble. You don't need to be Let's go to the hotel. You don't think if we go to the hotel, they are going to spend the day? Let's go to our house. Come on. Hmm?
Okay.
Listen, we need no house. Okay, we just want to be comfortable first, right?
House 50k, hotel 30k.
We'll pay it down a bit. We'll pay. Come in.
Okay, come in.
Can you turn that off before you come in?
Festus, please, can you just stop? I'm not in the mood, please.
Why are you doing this? I need you.
Festus, why are you doing this? I said I'm not in the mood, so just stop. I'm tired.
You can't be tired for me. I told you when I was coming that I want us to make love, didn't I?
Is that the only reason you came here?
I missed you.
Festus, please. Not today. Maybe some other time.
Are you a lesbian?
Please, if you have nothing to say tonight, just get off my bed. Where is this coming from? No, why are you saying this now? Why? Festus, please. Okay, I don't want us to be like this. I'm sorry. Please.
Sorry about what?
I'm sorry about what happened back there. I'm deeply sorry, please.
Okay, I've heard you. You can go back to bed.
Festus, listen, you don't have to leave at this time. It's late. Yes, something might happen to you out there. It's almost 3 a.m.
Like you care?
Of course you know I care about you. Moreover, this is not the first, the second, the third, or the fourth time you're making love to me. Why is this so different? Why are you angry? At least I explained to you that I'm tired. Please.
It's fine, I've heard you, but I'm no longer interested, so you can just go to bed and don't worry about me, I'm fine, okay?
Babe, you're still angry with me.
I'm not.
You are. Okay, smile if you're not. Please. I said I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Can we go back inside? Please.
Salim Ali Salim Saka. Salim Ali Salim Saka. Salim Ali Salim Saka.
It is done.
Devil will give you as a one-handed. He could take him with another handle. So I see the pop champagne now. They spend money, they go. Remember your birthday, they come. Giving, taking away, taking away. Make we get show.
Auntie Miracle, you're welcome.
Thank you. Please, where is your sister?
She's upstairs.
Okay.
Auntie Miracle, is everything okay?
Don't worry, I'm fine. I fought with someone, so I came to report to your sister. That's why I'm crying. Don't worry, I'll be fine, okay? Don't worry, you can go to school.
Okay, she's coming down. Please stop crying.
Okay, I'll be fine.
Okay, take care of yourself.
You're welcome.
What have you done?
Miracle. Philmond. Why are you crying?
Mother.
Talk to me.
Shasha is dead.
What?
Yes.
I don't understand. What happened?
Mother, she died in her sleep. She didn't wake up.
Not again.
No. Not again. No. No. Mother. No. Not again. Not again. No. No. No.
Sweet, what is the problem? Why did you sound the way you did over the phone?
It's Jessie. Jessie has not returned since yesterday and her number is switched off.
What? You mean Jessie has not returned till now? My goodness. Wait, do you know those people that came to pick her?
No, I don't.
You don't know them? Hey. Hey, God. What was your discussion with them before you came to call her?
Look, they asked me if I do women. I said no. I called Jessie for them because I know she does.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is so strange. This is so strange. What are we going to do now?
I don't know, I'm confused. The reason why I called Jessie for them because I know Jessie is a lesbian. But I don't know what's going on.
Her phone is still switched off.
Her number is not going. I'm confused.
What are we going to do?
I don't know.
Oh God, let nothing happen. You don't know these people.
Oh.
It's off.
Oh, God.
Did we get here? How did we get here? I told you, girls. I told you all. Now another innocent soul is gone. Just like that. How did we get here? Tasha is gone. Coupled with what we are facing. She's gone.
It's okay. This is not the time to apportion blame. Our lives are already at stake. We don't have any solution apart from the one Ebe brought. What comes to a man is equal to that man. But the question is, who will go for us? Because all of us are not going to die, are we?
I am leaving. Let everybody carry their own cross.
Glory.
I can't deal with this.
Glory.
At this point, Glory is beginning to piss me off. What's the attitude for?
I don't understand.
What's this for now?
Jolie, please don't say that. We all know that Glory is an emotional person.
What kind of nonsense emotion is that? Queen Mother, I will go and confront her right now. What kind of nonsense attitude was that? Okay, I'm getting to believe now that this girl is the cause of what happened yesterday. Only God knows if her absence did not cause the downfall of this ritual that we did yesterday.
Jolie, you're not far from the truth. You're not far from the truth. You know, I never thought of that.
Girls, can you for once think fast? we are gradually coming to an end. We have to do something. We need to do something fast.
Something like what, Queen Mother?
Someone amongst us has to pay the price. Yes.
Oh, please don't give me that look.
Titi, please, go for us.
God forbid. I will never do that, Queen Mother. Why must it be me? Why is it not Miracle? Or Jolie? Even Glory? Why must it be me, Queen Mother? Oh, I see. There's a conspiracy here, right?
No one is conspiring against you.
It's a lie. This was what you said before, and you are saying it again. I don't understand what's wrong with you. Why must it be me, Titi? Why? Wait a minute. You are our mother, right? Why would you sit, fold your hands, and watch your children die? Why didn't you just do us a favor by dying for us, Queen Mother? Why?
Excuse me. I am not your mother. Stop calling me one.
I'm not your mother. You're right. All of a sudden, you're no longer our mother. Listen, please. I am not dying for anyone. Every malam with his kettle. Let everybody pay their price.
But Titi, this sacrifice is meant for one person, not everybody. Please.
Really?
Yes.
Very well then, Miracle, do us a favor by dying for us.
God forbid.
God forbid, right? You see?
Titi, you are, I don't know, you are an orphan. You don't mean anything to anybody in this world. This small die now, you cannot just die.
Julie, I know you are a foolish person, but I never knew you were this stupid. The next time you will speak to me in such manner, you won't like what I will do to you. Ordinary die, you cannot die. What stops you from dying? Do you know you're so useless? You're useless to yourself, you're useless to your generation, so just die for us, you know?
You see this die, you go die. You will die. How can everybody be pointing at you? You will die.
Let me remind you something. This was the same thing Tasha said. Where is she now? Trust me when I say you were the next to die.
You're so useless to us. You will die, you will die. You will die. No parents, nothing, who will miss you?
You know what? You know what? This is my stand. I died for no one. Let everybody pay their price. Period.
Everybody is pointing their hands at you, so you will be the one to die.
Can you talk to me?
Exactly what I told you. She has refused to talk to me since she came back.
What is it? You come on.
Sweet, don't you think it's time you go to the police station and report this case? This is getting out of hand.
Sweet, you have to report to the police station, or better still go to the village and tell parents.
Hey.
Wait, not yet. I suggest we go out and search for her. We might be lucky to see her, maybe along the roadside or even in a gutter.
What are you trying to say? Are you saying that
They might have killed her and dumped her corpse in the gutters.
What else do you want me to think now? What else will I say? A prostitute that went out since yesterday night for hookup. She's not back till now. Her phones are not going. What else will I think? Maybe they have used that for rituals.
Hey, God forbid. God forbid. Oh God. This actual work, not be work, not be work at all. Which kind of thing be this now? You don't know before. Do you think our lives are as same as the life of people out there? No. We live a more risky life because of the kind of work we do. Our life is always in danger because of the kind of work we do. Just look at Jessie. Just take a look at me. Just look at me. What am I going to do? What am I going to tell her parents? God, please, God, I beg you, please.
What else will you tell her parents? You have to tell them exactly what happened.
But I still suggest, let's go and look for her. Let's move around. See, we don't need to give up. Let's just look for her. We might be lucky to see her. Before we make any reports to whether the police or to our parents, let's still go and try.
Babe, I swear, if anything eventually happens to that girl, I will give my life to Christ.
God, remember me now. God, please, I beg you to not allow my enemies to laugh at me. What is this?
Can we just calm down? Can we just calm down? See, this is not the best thing to do at this time. I think we should all pray and commit Jessie into the hands of God. Yes, let us pray.
Yes, let's pray.
Father, in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Eternal Rock of Ages, I am that I am. The giver of life, the giver of all. Lord, we commit your daughter Jessie into your capable hands. Father, we ask, oh God, that you guide and protect her.
Amen.
God, do not allow the plans of the enemies to have effect over her life.
Amen.
Please, God, guide and protect her, please.
Amen.
Our hearts are broken. Please, Lord, mend our broken hearts. Oh,
Hey, Jess. Is she there? Jessie!
Guilty as charged, nothing you can do. What should be done? What should be done? What can be done? Look what you've done. Look what you've done. If it So you wanna roll with the high class in society? You don't care what price you have to pay, just as long as money.
Ufa, did you see her?
I didn't see her.
What are we going to do now? Maybe we should go meet Sweet and Angel. Probably they'll see her. By now, let's just go. Oh, God, where could she be?
You see that Titi and Glory? I don't know why I have this feeling that they are the Judas that we have in this club. I don't know. If not that we're mourning, I swear, I would have looked for a way to beat that girl, and I for beat and blue black. Nothing for happened.
Did you not see what I told her? I mean, I would have beaten her, even though we are mourning. She's very stupid. Omarife.
But as it is now, since nobody wants to help anybody, nobody wants to help each other in the club, I'm going solo. I'm fighting for myself.
How did you know what is on my mind?
Oh, you were thinking about it.
Okay.
Because it is, my sister, I'm not going to die you. I'm not going anywhere. Because nobody wants to help themselves. I'm not dying.
Queen Mother is our major problem. That woman is our problem. Can't you see? She is. Oh, God.
Why did you say that?
I mean, it's obvious. She feels incapacitated these days. Yes! I was expecting her to show glory then, but she didn't until she left. Can you imagine that?
Anyway, my own is that me, I'm not dying. Even if I know everybody will die, but I'm not dying now. I'll bury all of you now, one by one.
What do you mean by you bury all of you now? Who be you now? I will bury all of you first, not me.
Okay.
Because I'm not dying now.
Me, I'll bury all of them. Then you will not die. I'll not bury
all of them. You will die first, not me. I'm not dying now.
So
not anytime soon. Not anytime
but
soon.
But we're all dying.
But not now. I'll bury you people first, before me.
Let's see who will die first now.
And now you go first, oh. After una me small pass. Una senior me where. So now una go first.
So die now by age now.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. You just confirmed it. It's the verdict. Guilty as charged. Nothing you can do.
Sister has locked herself in the room. She has refused to open the door nor to talk to me. Mother, I don't know what's wrong with her.
I don't understand, like... She doesn't respond while you were calling and knocking on her door?
Exactly, Queen Mother. Even her fiancé has tried his possible best to make her talk, all to no avail.
Where is Festus at the moment?
He's at home. I left him in the house. Queen Mother, please, can you come with me? I don't know what is wrong with my sister. Please, I don't want anything to happen to her.
Jennifer, nothing will happen to your sister, okay? Relax. Just breathe in. Tata,
sister,
get me my khaki.
Okay, thank you.